Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 handheld arc welder plastic welder. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected 220 volts 5000 watts electric digital arc welding machine. Product details. Power factor, 0.7. Efficiency, 80%. Current range, 15A 140A. Voltage range, 220 volts plus or minus 15%. Welding thickness, 2 to 14 millimeters. Max power, 5000 watts. Item number 2 is handheld welding machine. Product details. Brand name, Hoinma. Plug type, U plug. Model number, 3. Arc current, 120A. Welder, machine. Mask welder, mini welding machine. Welding semi-automatic, welder machine. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 220 volts semi-automatic welding machine. Product details. Brand name, Hoinma. Dimensions, 250 by 100 by 250. Arc current, 120A. Rated output voltage V, 24.8. Output current A, 20 to 120. Rated input power kW, 4.6. Dimensionum, 250 by 100 by 250. N, WK. G, 1.8. Power factor, 0.76. Type 1, 1.5 meters of power line. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.